Hey, what's up guys? It's Callie. I said I'd make a new video, and I don't know how well this is gonna go because I just drank some chocolate milk. But I don't know. Maybe lucky you, since I'm lactose intolerant, might come out the other end. Gross. But yeah, I'm in my bathing suit because I rode my bike to my friend's house to tan with her. And her pool was too cold to swim in, so we just tan. And I'm like really tired. Yeah. But here goes nothing, so hope you enjoy. I'm not even gonna say it. You better enjoy this. You better enjoy this. It's too cold outside tonight. I was dancing to your footsteps.
Oh.
Mama burped! Yes, I was videoing it. You know what I ate at lunch today?
What'd you eat?
A peppercini.
Peppercini?
Yeah. My friend had this like sandwich from lunch, and they put some in there.
Yeah?
But like,
Put it on your sandwich?
no, I just ate it. Isn't it 8 our time? Because it's central.
It's 8:20 right now, so I think we'll soon find out.
Wait for it. Oh.
I was waiting to feel the passion, and all I ask you to do is give me an impassioned performance.
Give me a passion for performance.
This was Angie. This is what people began to vote for. Don't stray from that, because when you do that, you're doing something all the other girls can't do.
At this point, all I
Tomorrow is like the biggest, well, not the biggest, but it is the biggest so far track meet I've had, or I'm gonna have, because it's it's an invitational meet, which that means that there's gonna be like 25 schools competing. So our track meet is gonna go till like 10 or 11 at night. But I'm just running the 400, so after that I'm gonna be sleeping. Well, when it gets to like 8 or something, I'll probably fall asleep. But I'm so excited. So guys, like, pray for me, say good luck, and yeah. So I'm nervous, but I'm excited.
Tonight we're going to form some pairs on the stage. First? Why's that smile on your face? To the near side of the stage.
Okay, guys.